In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quiz to Udemy course. First, make sure you're signed in to your Udemy instructor account and that you have a course ready to edit. From any Udemy page, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over your profile picture. This opens a quick menu with all your instructor tools. From that menu, click Instructor Dashboard to enter your teaching workspace. Inside the dashboard, find the course you want to work on and open it by selecting Edit or Manage Course. This takes you into the course builder where all your content lives. On the left side, look for the curriculum area and click it. The curriculum is where you organize lectures, sections, and quizzes, so everything you add will appear here for learners in the order you set. To prepare a spot for your quiz, click Section. You'll see fields to name the section. Type the quiz title here, something clear and student-friendly, like Chapter 2 Quiz or Final Knowledge Check, so learners know exactly what it is. If you see a second field or a prompt to confirm, simply type the same quiz title again to keep things consistent and easy to recognize within your course. When you're happy with the title, click Add Section to save it. Now, inside this new section, add the actual quiz content. Click the option to add a curriculum item within the section you just created. From the list of item types, choose Quiz. This tells Udemy you're adding an interactive assessment rather than a video or article. You'll now be prompted to enter the quiz title and the quiz itself. Give the quiz a concise title that matches your section, then begin adding your questions. Keep each question focused on a single concept, write clear answer choices, and mark the correct answer for each one. It helps to include short explanations or feedback for correct and incorrect responses, so learners understand why an answer is right. Aim for a balanced number of questions that reflect the material you just taught, enough to check comprehension without overwhelming your students. After entering your title and building out the questions and answers, click Add Quiz to save. Your quiz will appear in the section you created, and you can reorder it later if needed by dragging it within the curriculum view. That's it. Your quiz is now part of your course, ready to help learners reinforce what they've learned and give you valuable insight into their understanding.